Okay guys, on 7th of February 2023, now you can see that this is my 1-year-old gasteria plant. Botanically it is called as Gasteria pillansii cancet, and commonly it is also called as the cattle's tongue gasteria or Nemakua gasteria. Now you can see that although it is very small, I can't say that it is so much big because it has been inside this disposable cup of soft drink. And okay, now I am focusing my cam on this plant. Now you can see it properly, that how much babies it has on all the sides. On all sides the babies are just blasting out. Okay, they are very okay, they are like okay, now the babies are also 3 to 4 months old. And one more thing, that due to a lot of rainfall, moss used to cover the surface of the media. Now you can see a lot of babies on all the sides of this gasteria. Now I am plucking first baby out. Okay, and you can see that it has a good root structure as well. Okay, and this is very hardy plant. I think that it is even more hardy than the aloes or others, cactuses and succulents. Okay, now I am detecting the second what's called as the second one. Now it has one sub baby plant, and we have uprooted the 3 of the baby plant. Now this one is very small. Okay, but it has roots, so it will survive. Okay, now I am taking the other one, the 4th one. Now you can see a lot of good root. Okay, good root structure. The root is one tape root. Okay, now the 6th one. Now you can see the babies are small, but still they are very much hardy, so they will survive in all sort of circumstances. Now 7th one. Okay, now this one. Now you can see it properly. Now I will go for this one, 8th one. Okay, now I will take it out, the 9th one, and the 10th one. Okay, now we have to put all the roots of mother plant. Now we have detect all the babies from the mother plant. Okay, now we have to keep them in shade for several days, and then after they will we need to put them in the media. Okay, but you should have to place them in shade. Now these are all the plants which needs to be planted. Okay, now you can see it properly. Now on February 11, 2023, means that after some days. Okay, now we have prepared media, and I have put them in the disposable cups. You can see. Now one more thing, that this media consists of 50% simple sand and 50% garden soil. Okay, so sand has been used for better drainage of the media, so that water will not reside inside it. Okay, now I need to put them like this. Okay, I need to put them like this because they have fine roots. Okay, now this one, my first baby plant, and I have planted it out. Now I will make a small hole with the help of forceps, because we have to put the roots in such a way that they will not break off, okay, at any cost. I will make it a, okay, now the hole is a little bit big. Now I have to put it like this, and I need to use the, what's called as the, I need to use the forceps. Okay, I have placed it with my bare hands. Okay, now two of the baby plants are inside their disposable cups. Okay, now we will put the third one. Okay, now this is the third one. And usually the because it also used to be a succulent and hardy succulent, so we can say that it is very much having a lot of success ratio, okay, up to 99.9%. It never used to die except due to direct sun and huge watering, okay. It doesn't mean that you are hardy doesn't mean that you are supposed to put them in a full summer sun, okay, but they can tolerate a heat of about or sun for about 1 to 2 hours, okay, and it is good for them as well. Now I have put the all 4 baby plants. Now I will go for the 5th one. Now I have forceps and I have to make a hole, a proper hole. This thing, I have placed it in one side. Now I am making a second hole for another one. Forceps is very good, okay. Forceps helps you to put the baby plants inside the cups, okay. Now I have placed 2 of these small gasterias in a single cup, okay. You may or may not see it properly, but I will show you the real results. And I am dubbing my voice, okay. Okay, on June 15, 2023, means that after like March, April, May and June, after 4 months, okay. Now you can see that this is this our result, okay. Yeah, this one, although it is surviving, but still its condition is not very good. But this one is very good. This one is very good. Okay, I can see some weeds, okay, some grass growing, so I have to remove it out. As I'm doing voiceover, so you will not see any change in my voice in all the 3 videos, okay, but the videos are made one by one, okay, along the course of 4 months, okay. Now okay, now the root is same, okay, and no visible growth has been observed, means that if it is, it is very small, okay. It is very small, okay. Very small growth has been observed on both the stem side and on the root side as well. So this is my second gasteria, pillansii gansett, okay. So now this is third one, sorry, it is the, okay, third one, yeah. So we have to, okay, now this is the 5th one. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow the gasteria plant or gasteria pillansii gansett from the side baby plant. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.